What is the vowel space diagram and its universal meaning? Imagine trying to describe the different sounds of vowels without hearing them. How would you explain where your tongue is in your mouth for each sound? That's where the vowel space diagram comes in. It's a visual map that shows us exactly where and how vowel sounds are made in the mouth. This diagram plots the position of the tongue based on two main factors: how high or low it is and how far forward or back it is. Think of it like a coordinate grid for speech sounds. It's also called a vowel chart or vowel quadrilateral because it looks like a four-sided shape. This shape is a standard part of the International Phonetic Alphabet, which is a system used worldwide to write down how words are pronounced. At the corners of this shape are the most extreme vowel sounds, called cardinal vowels. These include sounds like I as in see, A as in father, and U as in food. These vowels mark the outer limits of what your mouth can do when making speech sounds. The fourth corner varies depending on the language but is usually a less extreme vowel. Inside the shape, you find other vowels, each with their own symbol in the International Phonetic Alphabet. The vertical axis shows vowel height. High vowels like I and U are made with the tongue close to the roof of your mouth. Low vowels like A are made with the tongue far from the roof. Mid vowels sit in between. The horizontal axis shows backness. Front vowels like I are made with the tongue toward the front of your mouth. Back vowels like U are made with the tongue toward the back. Central vowels are in the middle of this space. The vowel space isn't just a set of points but a continuous area. Different languages select vowels from this space, and how each speaker produces them can vary slightly. That's why dictionaries use the International Phonetic Alphabet symbols to give a clear, consistent way to write down these sounds, no matter what language or accent. The universal meaning of the vowel space diagram is that it provides a common reference for describing and comparing vowel sounds across all languages. Just like a color wheel shows how colors relate to each other, the vowel space shows how vowel sounds connect. This makes studying pronunciation, teaching languages, and creating writing systems easier and more accurate. Knowing about the vowel space helps when learning new languages because it shows you where your mouth should be for each sound. It also helps linguists and dictionary creators decide how to write vowels so they sound right. For example, English has more vowel sounds than its alphabet has letters, so the International Phonetic Alphabet uses symbols from the vowel space to show the exact sound. Special terms like formant are important here. Formants are the acoustic frequencies that make each vowel sound unique. The first formant relates to vowel height, and the second formant relates to backness. These can be seen on a spectrogram, which is a graph showing sound frequencies over time. This scientific approach supports the practical use of the vowel space in dictionaries and language learning. In short, the vowel space diagram is a key tool in understanding speech sounds. It gives a clear picture of how vowels are made and how they relate to each other. It helps us teach, learn, and accurately write down pronunciation. It's a universal standard that connects all languages through the way we produce speech sounds.